Red one.
It's only 10 inches. That's 10 inches?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
Yeah.
Should cut more.
So I am. I'm right here.
I'm going to cut to the 10-inch mark.
No, to the rubber
Right
band.
here, right above the rubber band. Wait. Try it one more time. Try to tie it one more time. Oh, that was good. Ah!
This is what I said.
Really?
Apparently, yes.
Okay, cool.
So what am I recording? Like,
Wait, fool!
Right above it?
Wait.
Can I just do it?
Just
before you
do
say
it.
Like right above the rubber band, not below, above.
Right above it?
Yes.
Ready, Yui? Okay, I'm going. It's really thick.
that's funny. But just show it.
Wait. This part.
Yeah.
To mark and fix. Or do you want to try it? Here, you cut it.
No.
Wait, no. Let her.
Let's see. Actually, it doesn't look bad.
Yeah.
Doesn't look bad.
Okay, get it back down.
What are you gonna do?
No, just like the back.
Yeah, because there's like a part. Yeah, that's why.
Just leave it tomorrow.
Yes, let Mark fix it. That wasn't that hard, was it?
Yes, it was.
You should go take a shower.
Is your head still lighter?
Oh, fuck yeah. Let me put it in the Ziploc bag now. Just push the buttons.
Which button? This?
Yeah.